Sponge. Spongy. Yeah? Mm. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. This morning, I'm going to attempt fried dumpling one more time. People, I don't know what is the story between me and fried dumpling. But me not seem to be a good job all the time. This a minute me get it right, the next minute I don't get it right. I can make fried dumpling good all the time. This minute it nice, the next minute it not come out as soft as I want. So today I choose to use some self-rising flour. I am not sure I should put a little cornmeal in it. Not cornmeal, baking powder. Of course I'm going to put cornmeal because I never cook dumpling without cornmeal. So I'm going to put a little cornmeal in it. But in terms of getting it really soft, I'm going to put some half and half milk and some butter. So I want to stay with me and make we see if this time it a go come out the way how we want it. Me usually make my grandmother did with the recipe. Because I tell you say, my grandmother could have do a fried dumpling. And that on a fried dumpling me love like a Johnny cake. Because it was so nice. So I am going to be putting a little bit of baking powder in this one. And see how it go. So let me put some of this baking powder, yeah? Here I'm going to use some butter. And I don't know the only thing new I'm going to use all the time now is the self-rising flour. And I don't know if I should put a little counter flour in it. I may put just a heap. I'm going to use a heap of cornmeal because I don't really want too much in it. I'm going to fix this with some ackee and I don't have any saltfish, so I'm going to use some bacon. So this is what I'm going to use. I tell you boy, man, this dumpling thing, I'm going to use all of this. I don't know how much that is because I never measure it. And of course it needs more. Yeah, this is about 3/4 pounds of flour. And I use half cup already and I use half cup of milk. It's not quite a pound. And I'm not gonna use all of the cup either. Seems like. So we don't need a full cup milk. Yeah man. I don't know if nobody else out there have the problem when me have with fried dumpling. Fried dumpling and give me a warm time, I tell you. And this more look like it. Okay. This more look like it. Me not stop trying it all the same because I feel me, you know me make it. Me I'm not chef, but me know me can't help myself. So it there. When me make it, it not tough like it can lick down the body, but it not to me suit. This time I want it to be very soft. The outer part kind of flaky. So I'm gonna cover this up for about 15 minutes because I'm hungry. I can't wait much longer. If you use a pound of flour, you use a cup of the milk. But you don't just pour it in one time. You test it, pour, knead, look. You know, I spoil it like when we do a while ago. I have to put more flour. Yes. All right. So it's time for it now. Yes, sir. Let me see something here now. Should put some more. You like it too bad at all. I want to get burned. Yeah. Oops, see that? Soft. Yes, man. Outside kind of look crispy, but it's soft. Oh, yeah, see. Soft, soft. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. Stir fry then for this. Mm-hmm. Yes, man. Yeah. Soft sauce there. See that, people? I have to do it too, you know. When you make me get it. Soft. Turn on the flame. Yes, boy. See there now? Gonna lead. You can go sell fried dumpling now. I don't put no salt in it, and it is salt enough. Here's the butter. You know, this fried dumpling. See the people? Gonna leave with my fried dumpling then, boy. It's a good thing, so I put it on the camera. Gonna leave with my fried dumpling them. Soft. See that? See that? Mercy God. Yes, I am. My float. And soon it will come out. Yes, I am. See there? Fried dumpling. From last night, I feel for them fried dumpling. From last night. Yes, ma'am. Gonna leave with my fried dumpling them now, sir. I'm not telling a soul say I can't fry dumpling again. I'm not opening my mouth and mention that. Here it is. Yeah. My fried dumpling. Yes, sir. Who beg no get? Who no beg no want? Yeah. Yes, man. Waiting for the ackee now. Sponge. spongy. See there? Mmm.